There's a lot to take in. So the technician will check the client is aware of the system, its installation, how will we go about it, a lot of the frequently asked questions that the client will ask. So once the client's clear on that, you'll have Sentricon stations. The system will be 1 every 3 metres, you'll have a station installed. And this is per the manufacturer's specification. So where there is coring that's required, so this is using a diamond corer. So this will be where there will be concreted areas or where there will be pavers. The diamond core will be cut, then they'll dig out any soil down to a required level, again as per the manufacturer's specifications, and install an in-ground station. Usually there's 2 monitoring devices that go inside and they are dropped in with an extractor. The timber is simply Australian hardwood timber, Eucalyptus regnans. The stations will be all numbered at the end of it. There will be a plan drawn up and the client will be presented with all this information. So they have an understanding, and obviously the technician will talk to the client at the end of the installation to clarify and also walk around with the client so they know what we've actually done. When they come to inspect it, if the termites have made their way into the station, depending on how much is consumed, they may bait the station. So usually they want at least 50% to 60% of the monitoring devices to be consumed. If that is the case, then they will install a bait tube in there by removing the monitoring devices, the 2 that are in there. All it is it's basically about 95% cellulose or paper, ground up paper, with the active ingredient hexafluoron, which is the insect growth regulator. And that's what the termites feed on, and they take it back to the colony and feed it to the brood and the queen, and usually that is what of the colony dies first, and then the remaining colony members, they can't sustain that, so they die eventually after that as well.
No worries with the team from Murray's.